Technology world, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you that how can you make a DIY RFID door locking system. This is my first video on my Arduino programming, and this video tutorial I will show you how can you make this, and I don't show you how the making, but I show the demo that I make. This is a long process for making, so that I cannot show you, so not wasting much more time, so let's get started. And this is my whole project. This is the lead, and this you can see this is blue. This is on the servo. This you can see, this is my little servo, tower pro servo. This is blue one, and inside this box there is my Arduino. As you can see, this is my Arduino Uno with a greater circuitry. This black you can see, this is my IC. 1 minute, I will show you. You can see this is my Arduino Uno. This is my Arduino Uno. I'll zoom in. This is black. I can show you properly. But this black. This is main IC. This is 8 MegaT28P. And that's my hole. And this is my cable. And after this is going for my RFID. This is for RFID MFRC 522 module. I will show you afterwards. And this 3 I go for buzzer and green for indicator. So let's move outward and see RFID. So we are outward, guys. After the door, this is my RFID that I showed earlier. This is going to there. Then this wire goes to this. I'll show you. This that I told you before, that this is my buzzer and the green light indicator. I don't make the connection of my red. Afterwards I will make the connection of my red LED. That is for wrong. Now I will show you the RFID tags. Hey guys, this is my RFID tags. This is an RFID card. This is not a simple card, but this is coil and IC inside that contain a particular UID or a number. That all are the card and PICC have a different number. Don't have the same. So this is my tag. It also same like this, but it is a tag small. There is also a coil and IC inside that contain a particular number. So let's on the system and see how it works. Welcome back, guys. So I am oning the system, and please. Guys, I on the system. How it works, I will show you. This is connected to my extension board, and the blue wire is not. This blue wire is a multi-purpose wire. This is also upload a port to Arduino and the power supply also. This is my servo that will pull up the hinge. Outside the door, the RFID also has the indicator LED that will work. So let's see this. Welcome back, guys. As I showed you earlier, that the outside the RFID this LED is working. This, and there also, when I scan a card or UID here, this buzzer and the green LED will glow. So let's see this, guys. When I scan a card, this card or this tag, and the servo will pull down the hinge for 15 seconds, and after 15 seconds the hinge will automatically go upward. And when I scan the card, if the card is the right one, the buzzer will rank and the green LED will glow. So let's see the system. Scanning this card. So let's scan it. You see this? The buzzer will glow, and also servo pull up, and now it moved on. Okay. So let's do tag again. I'm scanning tag. This. Let's see this. For 15 seconds it's pulled down, and after it automatically. So let's sit completely. I'm scanning my card. This is a green LED is glowing automatically. Select the system, see completely. Now guys, I'm going outside the door and I scan my card, and a tag to show you the complete that how it works. So let's see this. Guys, this open the door for 15 seconds and after it automatically closes. Let's see this again. Now 15 seconds are over, the door will automatically close. Now I scan the tag for open the door. After 15 seconds, door will automatically closes. Now guys, we are outside the door and we are trying to open the door. So let's scan this card. Let's see the completely. And door is open. After 15 seconds, door automatically closes. Door is closed. Let's see this. Door is not opening. So let's open the tag. Door is open. Now closes. Door is closes. Not opening. Door is not opening. Now outside door and I open the door from this. Scan this. Door is open. And after 50 seconds, door is closed. Now scan the car. After 15 seconds, door is closed. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like my video and press on this red button to subscribe my channel. If you have any inquiry, please comment below and please share this and happy Diwali.